But the main thing is we made room. We got the Honda in here and the Kawasaki, so I should be able to pull this off. As you can see, the engine and tranny is all this one piece here. So we're going to yank that out. The engine actually sits sideways and a shaft comes out. Normally the engine would be, this would be turned towards the back. This side here would be. So we're going to get that yanked out, put on the bench, and tear apart, because this one definitely has a rod knock. Okay, folks, we bored out the or honed out the lifter hole here. So we're gonna wipe it out. We honed it out real good so the lifter cup moves up and down. The lifter cup was stuck. And we also got this bolt drilled out, easied it out. Still working on it here, so we thought we'd bring it over and show you how to do it. Plug my fan back in. So now when the new bolts come, the engine will be put together 100% completely right. Got it in a little crooked, but as small as it is, I was lucky to get it in at all. Alright, that can sit over here with this. Alright, so put that back. Now we're going to check and see how good the lifter cup moves up and down. Before it wouldn't even go in through the top, so, oh yeah. And I used a hone brush so it didn't overdo it. Still kind of getting hung up a bit. I think I can hone it out again. Okay, now we got lifter cups. What happened is they made this wall so thin it got hot. Instead of expanding, it contracted. Alright, we got all that done. Alright, so I got these all cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and reassemble for the night, but I'm just going to call it for quits for the night. We got all the surfaces cleaned up, which took forever. I mean, I still got a little bit to get off, like right there. But here's one thing I wanted to show you. Here's the lifter cup hole that I honed out. And look at this one. You can see the heat marks. I should have done this one too, but this one wasn't sticking. But see the heat marks down in there? That's why we go above and beyond here. See, most people wouldn't notice that that lifter cup was sticking. So I did. And look how good it goes up and down through now. Now this one, you can hear that friction. You can hear it there too, but that's why I didn't do that one, because that one was good enough. But I think I should have went ahead and hit that one once. You know. All right, we just wanted to show you what it looks like tonight before we go down. The before and after, big difference. All right. Want to clean the screen? We're calling it quits for the night. Got a set of new valve seals in the kit. Those are stretched out really bad, and that's because the valve guides are broken. And one of the valve stems is bent, possibly both, but one's literally like knuckled over almost at a 10-degree angle right there. But I salvaged the head, polished it, and then got the valve guides out. But it's not cheap to order new ones for this. For a 400EX, you can get them for 30 bucks with the valve stems. This is going to cost about 120 bucks, 140 with shipping, just to get 2 valve guides, oversized, and 2 valve stems.